Racing as they battle for the 2019 Pilracom Commissioners Cup. We have Salt and Pepper. Radioactive is on the outside. Electric Truth comes next. Mandatum running by the release Sep 14, while Fangalusian Island is the early trailer by about 12 lengths of the leader, and going along for the first turn, Salt and Pepper is running by the rail alongside his Radioactive. Then 4 lengths further back in third comes Set 14. Next in line is Electric Truth. Mandatum comes next, while Pangalusian Island is still racing in less. Racing down the backstretch, we have Radioactive takes command by about 3/4 of a length lead. Salt and Pepper in second. 4 lengths further back in third comes Sep 14. Next in line, Electric Truth. Moving up down on the inside is Pangalusian Island, while Mandatum now racing in last. Back to the leader. 2 runners keep on fighting out for the lead. Running by the rail, Salt and Pepper. And on the outside comes Radioactive. Sep 14 is down in third. Electric Truth. Pangalusian Island comes next, while Mandatum is still racing in last. Race now getting more exciting as the rider now is starting to make the moves inside the last 400. We have Sep 14 now moving up on the outside. Radioactive is running by the rail. Moving up on the outside now is Electric Truth. Pangalusian Island is down on the inside as they swing for home. We have Sep 14 by a length and a half. Electric Truth is on the outside. Sep 14. Electric Truth is on the outside. Sep 14. Electric Truth is on the outside, and finally it's going to be a close finish. Sep 14, Electric Truth, Pangalusian Island third. Then comes Radioactive, Mandatum, and Salt and Pepper.
Alright, ang gandang pagtatapos nun ha. Sep 14 and Electric Truth, we have a close finish. Talaga? Iyon no? Ang gandang laban. Kita mo yung boat jockeys natin. Talagang sports na sports sila dyan.